Hi! Do you want to learn English for American life? Let's go!
Today, we are at the library. We will read books together.
I love the library. So many books. Can we get a book about dinosaurs? Please!
Yes, Leo. Let's go inside and find one.
Look at all the books.
It's amazing, isn't it? We'll find your favorite stories right over there.
Shh.
Remember, the library is a quiet place.
Okay, Mom. I will whisper. Like this? Am I being quiet?
Almost, Leo. A little quieter.
Welcome to the library. I am Mrs. Wilson. Can I help you find something? Hello, Mrs. Wilson. Yes, my son wants a book about dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs! T-Rex! Triceratops!
Oh, I love dinosaurs too. Follow me. I know just the book.
Thank you, Mrs. Wilson. You are very kind.
Here is our dinosaur section. Look at all these books.
Wow! So many dinosaurs! Look, Emma! A T-Rex book! I want a book about space. About planets and stars.
Space books are right over here. This one has beautiful pictures of planets.
Thank you, Mrs. Wilson. This looks amazing.
And I will find a book for myself. A quiet novel.
I will get a newspaper. Let's meet at the reading area in 10 minutes.
Let's sit here on the beanbags. Very comfortable.
I love beanbags. They are so soft.
Space books are right over here. This one has beautiful pictures of planets.
Look! This T-Rex has big teeth. Roar! Thank you, Mrs. Wilson. This looks amazing.
Shh, Leo. Quiet voice. But yes, T-Rex is very big.
Wow! Look at this, Mom. Saturn has rings. Beautiful rings.
Yes, Saturn is my favorite planet. It is so beautiful.
Look! A long-necked dinosaur. A Brachiosaurus.
That dinosaur ate leaves from the tops of trees.
Very tall. Can we take these books home? I want to read more about space.
Yes, that's why we have library cards. We can borrow books and bring them back later.
I want to borrow this dinosaur book and keep Teddy safe with it.
Great choices. Let's go to the front desk.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
I'm
Yes, thank you. We have 3 books to check out.
3 weeks. That's a long time. I can read it many times.
Thank you, Mrs. Wilson. Have a great day.
Okay, let me scan them. Emma's space book, Leo's dinosaur book, and a novel for Mom. Due date is 3 weeks from today. That was a wonderful library visit. We got some great books.
Yes! Reading is fun and good for learning English.
I am going to read my space book every night before bed.
You too. Come back anytime. We love to see families reading together.
Me too. I will read my dinosaur book to Teddy every night.
Thanks for coming to the library with us.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Read lots of books.